love Hakka。
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, what's up? Welcome back to Conversational Hakka on ICRT.
Hello， 好，大家好，我是 Alice 彭。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. This month, it's all about teaching you every time, 每一次。大拜 OK 大拜今天要教什么样的状况呢？我跟你讲哦，很多听众有时候问说，你主持不管是在电台啊或外场啊都好自然，
只是表现出来就是不紧张。
其实做一件事情尤其上台这种东西紧张是好事，因为给自己一点压力才会做得更好。So every time I go on stage, I still get nervous, and I think it's good energy because you can turn that energy, that stress, into a productive speech, for instance. So let's put you in this situation and listen to a conversation like that.
頭先嘅報告當精彩，
其實我大拜上台報告都當緊張，
完全看唔出來呢。
Okay, let's break down the phrases right here. Okay, it's about someone who did a report and it was fantastic. So 你剛剛的報告很精彩。
頭先嘅報告
頭先嘅報告
當精彩，
當精彩。Okay, 很精彩，精彩。Okay, fantastic. It was great, wonderful. 其實都可以啦。
當精彩，
當精彩。那報告是
報告。
Okay, that's a report. Okay. 其實我每一次上台報告都很緊張。Actually, I get very nervous every time I go on stage.
其實我大拜上台報告都當緊張，
都會很緊張。
是啊，當緊張。
Every time 每一次大拜上台報告就是上台報告呀，上台 that means to go on stage. All right, 完全看不出來耶 I cannot tell at all.
完全看唔出來呢。
完全看不出來舉辦了，對吧？ It's good. Let's review some of these phrases, such as 很精彩，
當精彩。
That means very fantastic or awesome. And 緊張 nervous.
緊張
And 看不出來 cannot tell.
看唔出來
Okay, that means cannot tell. Cannot see, cannot tell. All right? And this whole month, it's all about the phrase 每一次大拜，對，大拜, that's every time. All right, let's listen to the conversation again.
頭先嘅報告當精彩，
其實我大拜上台報告都當緊張，
完全看唔出來呢。
其實緊張先深呼吸2次就 OK 了。
對，一起來。
好了，2次了，好了，可以了。All right, that does it for today's Conversational Hakka.
什麼大家？
俺只是張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.